What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files. I'm talking about lost photos, videos, and even some files from third-party application on your Android device. So in this video I'm going to use example of some videos from within my phone. So I'm going to simply open up my gallery here, and I'm going to simply take this picture and this picture from my gallery here, and I'm going to simply tap on delete, move to trash, right? Now, once you delete these files, guys, and move them to the trash, you can easily go ahead and restore them. Now, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and search for files within your phone. So you want to go ahead and just search for files. I'm going to type in files here. And what you want to do, you want to simply open up files. Now, once you open up files, you'll be taken to this page here, right? And you want to scroll down to the bottom on the utilities to where you see trash. Now, once you open up this trash, you'll be able to see the recently deleted files. And as you can see here, these are files that are deleted from your files, your gallery, and even some third-party applications. And these will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So if you recently delete some files or videos or pictures, etc., they will be stored within this section of your phone, and you have 30 days to come and grab them and restore them before they actually get permanently deleted. Now, all you have to do is just simply click and hold on them, and you'll be able to select more than one. So you can go ahead and you can select the ones that you want. And then at the bottom, you will see the option to restore. Now, once you click on restore, those will be restored and going back to those locations. So I will go back to photos, and as you can see, I have both of these pictures available again on my phone. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple how you can easily restore deleted files, pictures, lost videos, etc. on your Android phone. Very easy and very simple.